Teacher, good day. My name is Javier Garzón, and in this video, I want to present the sentences written in IPA. Tell me, and I forget. Teach me, and I remember. Involve me, and I learn. Never stop learning, because life never stops teaching. Enjoy life today. Yesterday is gone, and tomorrow may never come. We are always preparing to laugh, but we are never laughing. Everyone should be asked what they can do. The sensor is invisible to the eyes. To the vent, all other men are admirers. Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. When no longer be children, will be death. You cannot have a positive life and a negative mind. To the artist, there is never anything ugly in nature. I choose a black marble and pink everything not necessary. Don't count the days, make the days count. Say hello to the ingratitude as an experience that will enrich your soul. Where all think alike, no one think very much. Thank you.